Someone sneezes. You say, "Bless you," but why? Are we warding off demons or just being polite? Back in Roman Empire, people thought sneezing could release your soul or invite evil spirits in. Fast forward to the plague years, sneezing was seen as an early death warning, so people said "God bless you" to basically say RIP in advance. Today, we say it out of habit. No demons, no dying. And if you don't say it, you might get that look, like you just committed a crime. So next time someone sneezes, bless them. You're not just polite, you're part of a super old superstition.